What's up guys, it's Flash. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Graham Stephan, or is it Stephen show? I don't know, stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. It's Graham Stephan or Graham Stephen. I don't know, I'm probably getting it mixed up, but whatever it is, this is a review on his channel. 128,000 subscribers, and he's a big channel, but here's the thing, he's probably only had the channel 2 months and it's blown up. His channel is absolutely huge, and this fella knows what he's doing when growing a YouTube. So this video is actually a praise to Graham Stephen, or Stephan. I'm getting that mixed up, I'm just gonna call him Graham. So here's my kind of feedback on his channel. I really enjoy it. Okay, straight off the bat, I enjoyed both his channels. This review in his second one, his other channel is here, I'll pop it up, is just Graham Stephan or Stephen. Oh. I'm just Graham, it's just Graham. His other channel has about 800,000 subscribers. So, but we're talking about this one, so let's kind of get back into it. His editing is cool. Okay, I like his editing, I like his studio, and I actually like his content. Here's the thing, me and Graham are like chalk and cheese, completely different people. Okay, you couldn't get two people far from the spectrum ever. Okay, this guy won't buy a coffee, I like coffee. He seems very frugal, I'm not frugal. He's a very smart guy, 100%, and he makes great content. And here's the thing, I don't know why I like his channel so much, and we're completely the opposite people. I don't know. I don't know. We're so far apart, but yet I can't stop watching his content, and I really like it. It's crazy. His editing is really cool, and this fella, like I said, knows how to create a YouTube, and he knows exactly what he's doing. He actually does have a YouTube, he actually has a course that he's selling on YouTube to teach you how to grow a YouTube channel. I haven't done it. I do want to get into the course to review it for you guys. That's what I'm definitely going to put on a goal, is to get his course done this year and maybe give it a review. But this is just about his YouTube, but I think there might be something in that course, because this channel he's on now, the Graham Stephan show, has blown up in like 2 months. Every video he does just goes crazy on the views. He's really intelligent. He looks like he puts a lot of work into his videos, and it's definitely paying off. I seen a video he done, and he's making like $100,000 to $120,000 a month off YouTube. Yes, that's a month off YouTube. It's crazy. Okay, now I don't do YouTube for money. I wish I got that money off YouTube. I don't. So Graham, well done. You're doing something right. I wanted to make this video because I like reviewing other YouTubers, especially in stocks, but I think I reviewed them all in stocks, so I'm trying to out-branch. Let me know if you like doing these reviews on normal YouTubers too. That's it for today's video. If you don't follow Graham, I'd probably recommend following him. He makes a lot of cool videos like Millennial Money. You know what, I'm just going to get pop-ups here of his videos. Just pop them up. Pop them up right there. Pop up. That's it for today's video, guys. I want to thank you so much for your support so far. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night and God bless.